Alright, hey everybody, Mr. Stick It Stone here, and today I have, it's going to be a very, very short, very brief video, but I have made my first bowstring, first somewhat primitive bowstring that I've made myself. It's made out of artificial sinew. I have some real sinew right here to help tie it up. It's all pretty much held together by wax. It's just tied together. So this is my first really bowstring, and today I'm going to attempt to string it up. I'm going to take this bowstring I have right here off. I'm going to take this one off. I'm going to try to put it on this one, and I'm going to try to pull it back and try to shoot. So hopefully it doesn't snap and pop me in my face, but if it does, I'll have my hoodie on, I'll have glasses on, and I'll have some sort of face covering so I don't get hurt or nothing. So first off, let's go ahead and get this first string off. Alright. Alright. Now for the primitive bowstring. Alright. Right, just kind of tying it up just a tad bit, making sure that it's all nice and tightly wound up. I think that's about as good as I'm going to get it. Alright. Alright. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Holy crap. Fudge. Whew. Let's see the damage report. This string, this part is fine. It's all fine, but down here is where it all went wrong. Dang it. Well, I'll try to make another string and I'll give it another go. Alright, attempt number 2. After some kerfuffling around, I finally got the bow stringed. So I'm going to try to shoot it now. Alright. Don't try this at home unless you know what you're doing and you've seen videos by professionals that aren't me, because I'm no professional. Alright, let's see. Alright, it seems to go back pretty far. Alright, let's try to anchor it and shoot it. It shoots. Alright, let's try that again. Alright. Now that I know that it can shoot, I'm going to go set up a target and see if I can hit it. Alright, I got my target set up. Let's see if I can try and hit it. Actually, here, wait, let me go move it a little bit more. Alright. Let's see if I can hit it. Gets caught up on my jacket. Alright, now I think I trust the bow and I'm going to take off. I think I trust the bow now and I'm going to take off my jacket. It's really, really cold outside, but I can't shoot the bow without the limbs hitting my jacket and it's affecting performance. Alright. Let's try to hit this target. Oh, there goes my glasses. Alright, come on. See if we can hit this target. It works. Here, let me show you guys. So, for my first bowstring, I think I did a really, really good job. Right there. Overall, I think I did a very good job for my first bowstring. But if you guys want to see how I made this bowstring, let me know. If you guys have any ideas on how to make a bowstring, tell me and I'll try to reenact it. But I'll see you guys later and have a good day.